If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update today. So JASMY is at a crucial level at the moment, and this is the place where it normally comes down to and pumps. This has always been the place that JASMY came down to retest, and it actually pumps. So I'm not just it's gonna be a very quick update right now. You do have the beginning of a move up down here, 2,771. They pushed it up and moved it again a little bit higher, and this is where for the second time you came to that trend line, okay? And then they pushed it from this trend line, they made another impulsive move, and then they took another break, and this is where they stopped the push to the upside, okay? And as I told you in 2 or 3 videos ago, that you do have time until the apex is until 25th of February. If you go back to 2 videos before, maybe 2 days ago, when we talked about the update of JASMY, I told you that this is an intersection where then you have a complete decision coming in at 25, because the prices are getting narrow, they're being compressed, and when you compress the prices, you see you come down here, you're moving sideways, and then either you continue higher, which is actually where we are meant to go, and you have a very big, massive level of support. But I want you always to be prepared of the worst side as well. You see, yeah, being in a trade, you want to actually have things to go up. But again, risk management and not being confirmation biased is really important, because if unfortunately you come down and lose the trend line and you backtest the trend line and not make a fake out to continue, then if you lose the trend line, get the failure of rejection here, you could end up start coming a little bit lower. You could even start to retrace to the downside. So that's one thing to look at. Now the second thing is, you can see you're massively being supported at 10, and you're also being supported here. It's still okay to touch the 20 and quickly go back up, because that's where you have been supported with. But unfortunately, if you start to lose like this and backtest and fail and close below the EMAs, close below the trend line, then it could be time to start to come down to the 55, to this price target. And that would still be okay. I told you about the EMA trading. Again, another video I made about the EMA trading and support and resistance. If you do come down to the EMA, that's still okay. Touch the 55 and in the future continue higher, that will still be okay. But if you try to end up closing below the 55 and you start to do something like this and make a bear cross, boom, then that's wrong. That's going to be very, very big problem, serious situation. But right now, you're at the support, you're still okay. Let's see what happens. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. See you at the 25, let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.